You can either make good results or maybe you can make good excuses. You cannot do both. Every single weak student that I know of has a bag full of what? Excuses. What is an excuse? An excuse is nothing but a well-planned lie. You know what? What is the problem? It is that you cannot go out to the great colleges and show your excuses to get admission in that college. When you make no excuses and you don't act like a victim and you don't point fingers at anyone, that's when you become powerful. Because the minute when you say that it's not me, it's somebody else, you point fingers at others, you don't have the power to change anymore. You don't have the power to change your current scenario. The minute you say that, oh, it's not my fault, it's the coaching, it's the school, it's the pandemic, it's my friends who don't support me, guess what? You have lost your power to change. Whenever you say that, it feels good at the moment. Okay, fine, I'm relieved of that blame. Somebody else is getting blamed about this. It feels good, but you also lose your power to change. But when you take responsibility, then you have the power to change yourself and your destiny altogether. There are two types of students which I have come across. One group will feel like it before taking an action, and the other group takes action before they have any gut feeling at all. One of them will never succeed, and you know which one. They will keep on waiting for success to happen to them, and the other group will succeed because success will happen to them. In order to get over that thing, you have to take action right away. The more you wait before your thought and your action, the more excuses your mind will come up with. For example, you might think, okay, I will binge watch this series and then I will try it again. I will finish this movie, I will finish this game, and then after it is done, when I'm free from all that, then I will start from scratch and then I will start making the timetable. Trust me, that day is never going to come. And that is why successful students take action first, because they know that action is the cure of procrastination. They know that action is the key to success, and they know that actions are louder than words. At the end of the day, you have to pick up that book, open up that chapter, solve that question, and figure out how to solve that question. You have to do something. You learn by doing, not by watching. This video is totally useless if you don't take any action after this. When you do something, you internalize it. It becomes yours. So do whatever it takes. You don't need to have anyone's permission. You don't need my permission. Just go do it, and go do it today.